Hey brother. Okay, I'm going to post two videos. One is going to be with the soap cake, and then one is going to be with the cream, the lather shave cream. So first I will do the one with the soap cake. Got my badger brush. I got hot water right here. I'm going to get it nice and wet. Shake out a good bit and start shaking. I can already tell I need water because it's just barely creamy. So I'm just going to put my hand down in the water and bring out a couple little drips. Start going again. Vigorously stirring. Starting to come up more. I need more water though, so a little more water. There we go. As I said when I was talking to you earlier, if you have too much water, the soap lather starts to get really bubbly and obviously watery. What you want is to have it have nice peaks. You see how I'm starting to get nice peaks right here? It's starting to build up pretty good. Starting to get some peaks. I need more water though. Circular motion, left, right, back and forth, go down and up. Really get it going. Oh yeah, it's starting to form pretty good stuff now. Look at that. I'm probably going to put a little bit more water in. And that should be plenty. See that? I'm going to apply some to my face. And actually, the more whiskers you have, when you apply it, it just lathers up even more when you're brushing it on your face. So, I'm going to put some on my face. I don't know if they told you in the videos, but when you're putting it on your face, hold it at the base of the bristles. That gives you more leverage. Paint it on. How do you like that? I'm ready to shave. New video coming soon.